So there's this Minecraft fan I usually just see behind me, and we're actually playing it for the first time. And obviously today is the first thing of it. So there's like merch stuff down there, and there's like merch stuff just over there as well. But yeah, I generally think we need to So there's this card thing. Well, I think we need to just collect like points and stuff, and also there's in-game rewards and stuff. I already got a game on the phone, and also there's stuff on the back as well. We'll need to, I think, collect as well. So we've seen the first thing of this. I actually don't know what's including within this game.
There's a massive Minecraft exhibition on it.
Hello there! Right, they aren't working, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it in for you. But that doesn't mean you get to interact with me.
Okay.
So how good's that? And you also get a lovely little smiley face. Yeah. There you go. And yours as well, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. So I think this stamp for what's here, it's not working, so we have to go around all the the pigs, cats and stuff on here to collect all of them. And I said there's an in-game reward, what I actually don't know what's the in-game rewards, what we can collect. So I think I said this, I got a game on my phone already, so we need to work our way down here, then also work our way back up here. And also I used to be like a Minecraft geek when I was like really younger, so this is just like in my niche. And I know I seen Dan, I saw in my another tycoon shops. I will put it up here, and I already saw them too already. But yeah, I'm just like this one literally. There's just one. I don't know if I can see it, but there's literally just one just down there, what I'm actually kind of glad about. But yeah, and then there's two down here, one we literally just got. Then obviously there's a couple more near Hex, that area. But literally there's just one here. I think there's one also down here, pretty sure. But yeah, we are trying to work our way up and down, then obviously go up near Hex and finish this off. And obviously I don't know what's as I said, I just don't know what's the in-game reward. It works. Ah, bird.
No, just right. It's been very, it's fine. Who's been your favourite mob you've seen so far?
I like the pig.
Like the pigs?
Yeah.
You like how relaxed they are?
Yeah,
nice
they
and
are.
chill. Very jealous of them. Having a lovely spa day.
Yeah.
I actually really love the pigs in Minecraft.
My favourite, that's why I'm always here, look after them. But they're very chill today.
Yeah.
Sometimes they are running about all the way down into the garden, so I've got to look after them.
I actually used to play Minecraft a lot as a kid, and I still kind of play Minecraft to this day.
I love it.
So cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
So different.
Oh yeah, it is.
Because again, it enchants.
So we found another one, so we still need to get 4 more. I actually don't know what this one intends, but it's literally just a little gaming rhubarb. But yeah, I still need to get 4. So I got the chicken one now, and also I still need to get the wolf, the sheep and the cat we still need to get for this one. I keep seeing people who are like I keep seeing people who I recognise. I don't know what's happening with the back, but I'm pretty sure we literally did just like biting it on. But yeah, we literally had a photo opportunity to take some photos with the Minecraft things. So that's a thumbnail.
Is it working better now?
It's literally just like, this is actually two of my favourite things, theme park and obviously Minecraft. But yeah, we still need to get 3 more. I actually don't know where the other 3 are, but yeah, I'm pretty sure 2 of them are, I think 1 of them or 2 of them are near Hex, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, as I said, there are inside games, like worlds thing, But yeah, it's really nice weather for it. It's not too hot but not too cold. But yeah, that's obviously
Still lagging, everyone.
we still need to get 3 more. So we found another one, literally just where we literally just came from. And literally this is the, I forgot what it's called, but I still like recognise it. And also we still got...
Teleport.
No, it's literally ender thing. And it's really cool how they do all this. So don't know which one we have to get here. But I'm hoping it's like the sheep or the cat. But yeah, the person's literally just there. But yeah. Also, they've done it with like the vlogs, like they changed it from the normal vlogs to the Minecraft vlogs, what I'm actually really glad they did it. But yeah, obviously, as I said, we still need to get 2 more. What's down near Hex, what do you need to do? But yeah, really, really beautiful.
Yes.
So we literally got the top left one, and we still got 2 more to collect now. And the other thing was ender pearl, I think. Like my Minecraft nerd is coming out today. But yeah, we are actually like adding rides like road races and stuff today. We are staying over tonight anyway, so yeah, 2 more, and this is the price what we can win, or we can win on game. But yeah, 2 more to do. Then sorry if this video is really short, because so we are back in the hotel, and I literally got literally all the stamps now to it, and I want to use my QR code what I've won, and obviously I need to go on Minecraft.net redeem to do it, and I can't be bothered to type it in, so it is what it is. And so yeah, like I actually don't know what it is, so I'm going to just put the QR code, another QR code, the stamp thingamabob, because it is. And obviously with what it is, I actually as I said, I used to play Minecraft a lot. Okay, I'm just typing it in as you should see. So I'm back. I just redeem the thing, and it asked me to sign in. Okay, sign in with Microsoft. So I think I redeemed it. I could be wrong. Confirm. I generally think I will. Okay, you're good to go. Okay, so I think I already redeemed it. I think this had this ready for you. Go to Minecraft. Okay, it's just taking. Okay. Okay, it should be already in the Minecraft game. Okay, play. There's nothing here on the thingamabob. I just don't know how I did wrong, but yeah, I'll put a full photo up here what it should be look like, and nothing's really there like from this sort of stuff. So I'm just in Vivian Valley, and I just want to say this event was really nice. I just wanted to say that, and I do love Minecraft as a Minecraft ex-player. This event was really nice. Introduce themselves to the Minecraft world what Chessington is having next year. But apart from that, and I think this is the only reason why they are doing this, like this event for. But yeah, I do love this idea. It's slightly a little bit more towards kids, I do know that. And yeah, I will end my video to say I hope you enjoy this one. Remember to subscribe, like and comment, and follow me on all my social media accounts. They'll be in my video description, in my channel description. So I'll see you in next one. Bye.